1 month ago, I paid 3 editors to edit my vertical video and you guys absolutely loved it. Today I'm paying 3 other editors to create a title animation for this very channel. And you guys have to rate it down below. At the end I will show you guys Lily's version and I only give her 5 minutes to finish it. By the way, Lily is helping me edit my Premiere tutorials. So I found 3 motion designers, Ankit, Nazmul and Monty. They all have a different animating style. So this is the briefing I sent them. I want a simple text animation with the text Premiere basics for my YouTube channel. You have full creative freedom, no brand attachments or anything like that. Then I suggested they could use some keyframes flying around in the background, but that wasn't necessary. Then of course, 4K resolution. Well, I hope they did something with the creative freedom that I gave them. Alright, the first one, Ankit, $150, let's play. The song reminds me of an old Kurzgesagt intro. Love it. First of all, the simplicity is there, just like I requested. I really like the keyframes flying in from the left and right, and I see that you didn't use any motion blur, which is a good thing, because otherwise you couldn't see the keyframes. Then I really love the way the letters are coming into frame. They're living, they're breathing. It's amazing. But now it's time for the nitpicking. The animation in general feels corporate, like it's for a tech company or something. Perhaps it's because of the song playing, but I'm sure me asking for simplicity has something to do with this. The way he used Gaussian blur to fade the text out, not a big fan. Again, that really gave me that corporate feeling. Personally, I would have made the letters fall or something. Also, to make space for the Premiere Basics text coming in, he just used an opacity animation to fade the keyframes out, which is fine. But what I would have done, which is fine, but I would have just made the keyframes disappear the same way like they came in. Look at this. Let's reverse it. If they disappeared like this, there would be plenty enough space for the text to appear. I think that would have looked a little smoother, and that would have also prevented this little overlap, but again, this is nitpicking. These are all minor tweaks that I would have done differently, but hey, in general, really good job. It's time for number 2, Nazmul Haque. $95, play. Okay, that was fast. I love it. This already looks a bit more Premiere related, probably because of the colors. I also really love the triangles. You can see them as keyframes. I don't really like the Premiere Basics text popping up like this in your face. That's probably personal preference, but awesome. The intro has everything that I asked for. It's fast, it's snappy, it's short. It's perfect. I also love the song. It kind of reminds me of the old PRP intro. Also, these fast lines are looking really cool, and the color palette he used is really good. It's perfect. Really feels like a Premiere Basics intro. The only thing is, it kind of feels like a template. I'm not saying Nazmul used a template to create this animation, absolutely not. And also, that's not necessarily a bad thing, because most templates look great. They all just have a similar feeling, and this one has that feeling too. Nazmul, well done my friend, you did a great job. By the way, I want to say thank you to Fiverr for sponsoring this video. If you're looking for talented editors to help you bring your projects to life, check out Fiverr. It's the perfect platform to find skilled professionals for any creative task. Oh, and don't forget to rate Nazmul's animation in the comments down below. Number 3, $100, Monty. It's almost my name in reverse. Timon, Monty, no, anyway, let's just hit play. It's long. Oh wow. Monty, you definitely put in the effort. I actually really love the ending of the animation. Like, this would have been enough. Like the cursor going to the play button, pressing play, and then everything transferring into Premiere Basics. That would have been perfect. There's not really an ending, like an animation or something. That's not necessary. Yeah, I think the last 4 seconds of this video would have been perfect. Also, sound design on point. Good job, Monty. You did use your creative freedom. The clips are appearing. I mean, you can see someone editing, and that's creative, man. Good job. Also, it's really simplistic, just what I asked for. Now, from the other hand, I kind of have the same feeling with this one, like the first one from Ankit. It feels a little corporate, it could have been a bit more playful. But then again, I never asked for it. I gave him creative freedom, and he used it. I might actually use the ending for something. I'm not sure for what yet, but I love it. I really love it. Good job, man. Good job. And now it's time for Lily's version. Remember, Lily's still a student, she's learning how to edit and create animations, and she had to do this under 5 minutes. So let's take a look. No sound design. Oh, I really like the keyframe, filling up, like the sides, and then it's rotating, transforming from a linear to an ease keyframe, and then of course revealing the text. Oh, it has some kind of stretching to it as well. And then of course the wiggle effect. I recently taught her how to use the wiggle effect in After Effects. Now look at this keyframe filling up. I think that one's really cool. It's really cool. You know what? If you guys want me to figure out how she did this, I can make a tutorial for you guys on how to create this animation in Premiere Pro. Just let me know and I'll get started. Now, I also paid 3 editors to edit my video for me, and to see that, click the video right here on my left. Thank you guys so much for watching.